If you trade without understanding this one thing, you will slowly lose money. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain to you what separates successful traders from losing traders. Make sure you are staying until the end. As you can see here, I already have some nice profitable trades right here. Just opened them in the past 2 weeks. We also closed some in the profits. Let's quickly look here at the position history. We can see we had a successful trade here, already closed 1.3k in profits, and we also realized from our longs here 10k and another 8k here for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now I want to explain to you what's the most important rule for a trader, especially in the crypto space. I'm already over 10 years trading crypto, so I have a lot of knowledge that I want to share with you. Now let's quickly analyze the charts here. You can open a trade no matter what. The most important rule for that trade is a proper trading setup. If you don't have a proper trading setup, you're basically just flipping a coin. And in most cases, because emotions are coming in, you will even get slightly worse chances than flipping a coin. So let's talk about it now. If you're opening a trade, for example, you can see here I have trades on both sides. I have a trade here on the long and also a trade going short. What did I do here? We can see here I have my trades right here and I have my stop loss, which is the very important thing right now. We can see here I'm gonna move my stop loss in the profit zone. I'm gonna move it just above this high right here. We can see it with the red dotted line. Like that, I basically eliminated all of the risk from this trade. I did the same thing with my long as well. We can see I opened the long at around $61,000, and we can see here my stop loss is in the profit zone at $62,000. I already realized a couple of profits from these trades, so I'm quite happy with the outcome. And now this comes to the most important rule in crypto. You just have to take profits. If you're not taking profits constantly, the market will turn against you. Crypto markets are very, very volatile, and you can see it here very easily. It goes up, goes down, and then it goes down again. So if you're not taking profits, you might round trip all your gains. This happens actually to the most of us. Even to me, it happened many, many times in the past. You just go, you make some very nice gains, and especially it used to happen with altcoins in the previous bull market. Many people made 100x's, they didn't take profits, and the altcoin dropped even below their entry price. So from 100x down to minus, negative. That's why you have to always take profits, like I did on those trades right here. Right now, I don't have to worry at all. My stop loss is in the profit zone. I already took some realized profits right here, as you can see, 8k on my Bitcoin trade, and here on my Ethereum trade, another 10k realized. And I still have some unrealized gains that I'm gonna keep open for longer, or I'm gonna take some more profits if I think the market might change its direction. For now, I think the Bitcoin market will probably move in this zone right here. Let me quickly show it to you. This zone, I think that's where Bitcoin will move right now until we will make a decision. Either break to the upside, actually this is Ethereum, but it's gonna look the same for Bitcoin or very similar. We have this box right here, and it's gonna come to a decision very soon. Either we're gonna break to the upside or to the downside. I think the chances are that we're gonna break to the downside a little bit bigger. Let's see it for Bitcoin. As you can see, it looks very, very similar. We have this zone right here, and we have to make a decision. Either the price is gonna break to the upside or to the downside. For now, we can see here we have strong resistance at $72,000. So I tend for a further drop. That's why I also opened this hedge short right here. Of course, I like my long trade because it's a very nice entry point here at $61,000. but we can always drop a little bit lower. So I might take some more profits off the table from this trade. Actually, let's do it now in today's video. Let's close a little bit more Bitcoin here at 67,600. Order placed. Nice. And for my Ethereum trade also, let's take some profits also here, because I just feel it in my bones that the market's up for another drop. I'm also in the space for multiple cycles. I saw it happening many times, so I know what I'm talking about. Let's see. It's never wrong to take profits, even if it goes in the other direction. I'm still happy. I made profits and I still have some position left that I can make some more gains with. So it's very important. Keep calm, don't have any FOMO, and as I mentioned, always take profits. So order placed, and now I'm basically relaxing and waiting for another opportunity. There haven't been many opportunities, I have to say. Right now, it's patience time. Or if you made gains, if you are in the VIP group, we made some nice longs for Bitcoin, as you can see here, and we made some nice gains. Then it's profit taking time. But right now, we can see the RSI is in the middle, so there is no clear signal for a trend. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, take profits. Bye bye.